close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
What is up guys, this is Hi-Fi Nerd here, and in this video I'm gonna update my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus to the latest Android 9.0 Pie with Samsung One UI. If you haven't received the ODA update of Android 9.0, then you can follow this process, because I will manually update my Galaxy S9 Plus to the Android 9.0, which comes with the Samsung One UI now. The update has already been released in Europe but not in other countries. So I'm in a country where I haven't received the ODA update, so I'm gonna follow the manual process and flash the stock firmware of Samsung One UI Android 9.0 Pie on this phone. The method works with Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. The instructions are same, you just need different files for S9 or S9 Plus, and rest of the instructions are exactly the same. Currently my phone is running Samsung Experience and Android 8.0 Oreo. So let's have a look at settings here in about phone and the software information. So you can see that Android version is 8.0 and the Samsung Experience version is 9.0. Now I'm gonna flash the stock Android 9.0 file on this phone here, and you just have to follow the instructions that I will do in this video. Now updating your S9 or S9 Plus to the Android 9.0 will require a PC, and you will need a stock firmware file which you can flash on your phone using Odin. So starting off, the first step you need to do is enable the USB debugging mode from developer options. I have already enabled this, and you should also have to enable USB debugging mode. And if you do not find any developer options here, then you can activate the developer options by going to about phone here in the software information, and you need to tap on build number 7 times to activate the developer options. See, I have already enabled the developer mode, and it says here that developer mode has already been turned on. Now after enabling the developer mode and the USB debugging option, next step is you have to turn off your device. I will power off my device, and from here you need to boot up into the download mode, which is used for development purposes and flashing the custom ROMs or stock Android ROMs. So my phone is completely turned off now, and what I will do here is I will hold the volume down button, the Bixby button, and the power button for a few seconds, and it will boot up in the download mode. So let's do this. I should now the volume down button, Bixby button, and the power button. It should now boot into the download mode, and here it is. So a warning screen is showing on my phone, and on this point if I press the volume up button, it will go straight into the download mode. Now let it be at this screen for a while we do the further next steps on our laptop. So I'm gonna keep my phone here for a few seconds, and the next few steps are to be done on PC, and for that you need the stock Android 9.0 firmware file for your S9 or S9 Plus along with Odin. The links are in the description below. You can download the firmware file compatible with your phone from the links in the description. I already have downloaded the stock Android 9.0 firmware file here, and I have extracted this file, and upon extraction I have got these different files which I will need to select in Odin. So I'm gonna launch the Odin here, and I will select the files one by one. So first I will select the CSC file. Now there are 2 CSC files, you need to select only one. This CSC file will erase all your data, and it is meant for clean and fresh install. And if you want to keep all your data and apps, then you should select this home CSC file. Now I do not want to lose all my data, so I will select this home CSC file, and upon selecting any file, Odin may take some time to verify the file. After it selects here, now I'm gonna select CP and select the file with CP at the start. Now I'm gonna select the AP file which have the AP on the start. So the AP file has been loaded, and finally I will select the BL file here, which has the BL in the start. So all of the files have been loaded here, and I'm gonna check the options here, and you should not mess around with these options and make sure that only F reset time and auto reboot is checked and every other option is unchecked. So everything is done here. I have selected all the files, and now I'm gonna pick my phone here, which is in the warning screen, and now is the time that I should boot into the download mode. So I'm gonna press up the volume up button, and you can see here that it's in downloading mode. And after that I will connect my phone to the PC using the data cable. Now only use OEM quality data cables, because if you do not have the official and stock data cable, then it may have problems installing the firmware on your phone. So the phone has been connected here, and I'm gonna place my phone here at the side, and you can see here in Odin this box is turned blue, and from this point everything is set up, and I have to only click on the start button and it will start installing the Android 9.0 file on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And now it's finally the time I should hit the start button. So here it goes. Now the official stock Android 9.0 firmware with Samsung One UI has been stored and is installing on my S9 Plus, and I will wait for a few seconds until it is completed and I will get back to you guys. So the process is still going now, and it looks like this on the phone here, and it's about to complete. It's been, I think, 4 or 5 minutes now, and it's still going. So I should wait for a little more. So at last it is completed, and you can see here the pass option, and my device is also rebooting, and I'm gonna wait until it boots up completely and I will get back to you guys. You can also see here that it's erasing. So finally my phone is rebooted, and now I'm gonna put my password in it. So I put my password, and make sure that you remember your PIN or security code, because it will ask you for your security code and PIN at initial boot up. So the phone took about 3 or 4 minutes to show the full screen, and you can see that now the phone is showing, the phone is updating message and optimizing apps. At this point I am sure that I have done everything exactly perfect, and now my phone is on the Android 9.05 firmware and it's booting up normally and okay. The apps are optimized and it says that starting Android. So guys, this is finally the moment. I have updated my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus to the latest Android 9.05 with the Samsung One UI, and looking at it, it just looks gorgeous and amazing, and I will use it for a few days and I will again post a video to show you guys that what is improved. And by following the instructions in this video, you can also update your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus to the official Android 9.0. And let us go into the settings here and about phone, software information, and here you can see the One UI version 1.0 and the Android version 9, and I am so happy that I have updated my phone. And one of the big change in Samsung One UI is that it has made using the phones with big screen a whole lot easier, because you can actually use it one hand very easily. because the usable area is now pushed down below almost to the middle of the screen, and previously on Android 8.0 you couldn't reach all the way up to all the settings and options, and now it is pushed down at the center of the screen and you can easily reach here in connections and anywhere, like see here. And it's also the same in notification bar, you can also reach all the options here. So this is a major change and update, and it's also looking very smooth, and so far I'm liking it. And let me just show you that one of the good feature I like about this update, it's the night mode. It should be here. Yeah, this is the night mode. It makes all the theme dark and I personally like it very much. So yeah guys, this is it. This is how you can update your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus to the latest Android 9.0 with Samsung One UI. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends and give it a thumbs up guys.